Today, there has been, against the accused in the 2G Spectrum case, a judgment of acquittal by the special judge. I wish to comment on the political aspects of this case. The Congress party leaders are treating this judgment as some kind of a badge of honor and a certification that the 2G allocation policy was an honest policy. Let us first of all recollect what the 2G spectrum allocation policy was. In the year 2007 and 8, spectrum was being given not by an auction, not by a market mechanism determining the price of 2007 and 8, but on basis of a price discovery which was made in 2001. That is, in 2007 and 8, spectrum was being allocated by the UPA government on basis of 2001 prices. Per licensee, the spectrum value was fixed at rupees 1,734 crores. That is 1,734 crores. Even within the policy implementation, there was huge element of arbitrariness. The cut-off date was advanced. The first come, first serve policy was intended to serve only a selected few. Even this policy was arbitrarily changed and converted into a first come, first pay policy. The same spectrum which was being allocated at rupees 1,734 crores to every allottee, finally, during the NDA government, when it was subsequent spectrum was allotted by auctioning, in 2015, we got 1,10,000 crores, and in 2016, we got 65,000 crores. So the fact that the policy had caused loss is clear from the fact that the subsequent auctions got a much higher price. So what are then the facts? The policy was arbitrary and designed to promote corruption. It was implemented in an unfair manner. It was causing loss of revenue to government. And auctioning was getting much higher price. The Supreme Court verdict already, we don't have to even look at CAG report. The CAG report finally resulted in a Supreme Court verdict. We have to look at the verdict. And the favorite chosen few were informed in advance about the change of policy. And this is was evidence from the fact that the favorites had got bank drafts already prepared in the previous date to whom the policy had been leaked out. On basis of all this, in February 2012, the Supreme Court upheld this challenge and quashed this policy of first come, first serve or first come, first pay. So that this was a corrupt, dishonest policy has already been upheld by the Supreme Court in February 2012. Each and every case of spectrum allocation was quashed by the Supreme Court as arbitrary and unfair. The policy was quashed as unfair and intended to cause loss to Government of India. And the government was directed to have a fresh policy by which an auction would take place. And thereafter, the auctions of spectrum started, collected by subsequent auctions. Now, for this entire scam, who is liable? In a criminal case, the special judge has said nobody is liable. I am sure the investigating and the prosecuting agency will look at it. These charge sheets were filed under directions of the Supreme Court during the UPA government. The prosecutors were appointed by the Supreme Court. And now that the court has said that for this entire corruption which took place, nobody is liable, I am sure the investigative agencies will have a close look at it and decide what to do further in the matter. Let us be clear. The fact that this was a corrupt policy intended to promote corruption and that it resulted in a loss already stands established, both by the Supreme Court verdict and by the fact of subsequent auctions.